Hey guys on YouTube, as you can see, it's an iDog, a normal iDog, right? Well, guess what? This isn't, as you probably know already, is not a song. Oh yeah, it's also Christmas today. Today is Christmas, and I guess I got an iPod Shuffle. It's actually pretty good for a shuffle. Well, that's not the best one. The shuffle, actually pretty small. Right there. It's in this little dock. Not a point, but holds 240 songs. Charging right now. And like I said, it's Christmas Day. This iPod dog, and as you would be expecting, what am I using to power this right now? Well, this is the thing some of you might not have known, but that I might have not known because I kind of just got today. Actually, to power this, a Santa. Santa E270, which is not an iPod, it's a Santa SanDisk. But yeah, iDog doesn't care. No, he does not care. It's all the same to him. But apparently it works with that too. Got this in like the SD cards. Cell phone. iPod. But yeah, he can be used as a radio because right now he's on the radio. I find that kind of fun. It's hilarious, actually. And I forgot what kind of features on this stuff. I read that. It's only Easter. Alrighty, let's get some songs started here. Yeah, it's all that's it. This is an interesting light fixture, isn't it? That's hilarious. Anyways, it's kind of funny. You might want to try this if you have a Santa. Anyways, see ya.